continuing with the shipping container. We did one window previously. It was a learning experience on what to do right, how to improve our techniques, what we did wrong, and so now we've continued with two more windows. We have both of them installed. Each one of them went much quicker than the previous. We had all the right tools this time. We didn't have to go running all over town trying to find super sharp cobalt drill bits and all that kind of stuff. We already had them. So we've got two installed right now. We just have to add the zip tape to the outsides of them, and then we might be able to get the other two windows on the back side of the shipping container done next. So if we're lucky, we'll get those done.
I would think so. It's
2 hours.
5 o'clock,
yeah. And then tomorrow we can probably install the door. It'll be a little bit different. We just got to make sure it's especially, very level, hung right, so the door actually closes. That could be a problem.
The windows work. So.
Yeah.
Everything's been really level.
Yeah, everything's been level to begin with, so that means they put in the metal framing for all that stuff extremely well leveled as well. So we'll continue with that. So far it's been a lonely process. Only Morganon has come to see us and hang out with us. Haven't seen any of the others. So we'll just continue with it and see if anybody shows up. We're getting close to dinner time, so you never know.
We knew that the window would not be on the metal, so then when we had the awning put on, we had the awning put on the edge of the metal, but we should have had it put on the outer edge of the metal, not the inner, or maybe even like halfway on the metal or something.
Outer edge.
So hindsight's 2020.
I blame our welder.
Now we're gonna. He doesn't do windows either.
I know.
Here. That goes to the top. So now we're just gonna have to put in a lot of caulk at the top edge. So what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna be able to seal the window to the wood, but we're not gonna be able to seal that top where the metal and the wood come together at the very top. We're not gonna be able to seal it with the zip tape, so we're gonna have to do some fancy caulking. But I think it'll be okay. Ultimately, it'll be okay.
2 done.
2 done. 3 done.
3 done.
2 today.
Total. 2
Yeah.
today.
You want to start on the back too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it.
All right. Back to super speed.
Super speed.
Look how good it's looking with 3 windows in. So what we're doing, actually he's doing it right now. We're rasping the edges.
We're rasping at straws.
Oh, you had to cut it twice? I already rasped
no,
it
just
once.
once. I know, but it's not nearly enough.
We're rasping the edges because in the corners where the weld is, it's not exactly a 90-degree corner. So we rasp it and then it just fits over the lid. So now, oh, it's going this way. Now we have rounded over edges that will fit right up there perfectly in place. As long as the board's the right length. Yep. Alright, I'll come help you.